be crew. Today is a good weather. I mean, yeah, it's really good weather because since we got here and it was raining and on and off, but today's pretty good. Where we are parked is over there. You can see it's a free parking lot, like a car park, I should say, but it's run by the sports club because, like, you can see behind of me, everyone is playing the sports right now. Cricket, yeah. I'm not familiar with it. They are, offering the kind of place that the van lifers can stay. But there is a certain part that, like, you can do donations through the QR code. I'm using the green credit card. Sometimes it give me so much headache, so we cannot do it. But there's a cafe right now here, right in front of me. You can buy some stuff and drink or something that can help this sports club to run this area. So we wanna do something. All right, we're gonna be here, right? Hi.
Closed, man. Oh yeah, it's closed.
Bad news. So we thought like we can buy something, but they close. They open only Wednesday and Saturday and Sunday. So, yep, it is what it is. Nothing much we can do. We did our best. That's okay. Well, anyways, I can enjoy the nice weather today.
So who are we with, Lucy?
I forgot their name.
Oh my gosh, you forgot their names already? Okay, so this is Flo or Florian. He's from France. And this is Nikki.
Hello.
She's from Ireland, but she also has a Greek background as well,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Do you think you're more Greek or more Irish?
50-50.
50-50, like me. So you guys are gonna show us your van, right?
Yeah, with pleasure.
All right, awesome. Let's go take a look.
I
do that.
forgot you guys' name. I'm not good at name, actually.
Shame on you, Lucy. So first of all, you got this great solar panel array here, which is quite nice. I like this setup right here. So that's plenty of power, I guess, for this van. And this is a Iveco?
Yeah.
What kind of Iveco?
Daily.
Yeah.
Iveco Daily.
From 1994.
This is 10 years older than our van.
Yeah, 2004.
Is this the company that used to own it?
Yeah, it was a builder.
Members of your family right here.
This one is called Babino and this one is called Rudi.
And this is Vasilis. Hello, buddy.
Assi. Your one job was to make the bed. Did you do it?
So we're gonna have some drinks here later, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's take a look at this bad boy.
Please come in.
Oh, I like
Oh,
that.
wow, cool. So cozy in here.
Santa Claus picture.
Yeah. Nice. Gas burner, I guess.
That's
huh?
gas, yeah, we
Yeah,
have it all
nice.
in here.
Oh,
But if you
cool.
open this, like, everything comes out.
All right, so we'll keep that one closed. I have a glass to separate
Oh, that's nice.
the front and back area. And I like what you did with the roof. That's very nice.
The ceiling we got from a dump. We were trying to find something for the ceiling and we
Yeah.
said, oh, we saw that in the dump. Do you mind if we take it? So they let us take that.
And this is where all the work gets done, I guess, right?
And
So-
behind the wall, behind you have the office/toilet.
Ah, I see. Yeah, very nice. So who's the artist here?
Me.
You're the artist, huh? So you did, I guess, these and
Yeah.
painting, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, beautiful. This is our favorite thing when we're traveling, to look at other people's vans.
I made myself as well.
You did it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Your place is like so
Amazing.
cozy and like
Yeah.
it feels really lived in.
Mm.
Whereas
Yeah, that's for sure.
ours still feels like kind of a new house with no decorations.
Yeah, so this is a dog's bed.
Yeah.
Oh, careful, Vasilis.
Woo, excited, huh?
Nice. Got the garage down here.
Wow.
How long have you guys been in the van for now?
More than a year now.
Yeah.
What made you guys decide to get a van and start living in a van?
That's a good question. We met each other in Rome
Uh-huh.
and we lived there for 9 months, something like that. But to live in a capital, we were like, no, we don't want anymore because we can see each other,
We
how
were
she
working
worked,
all the
how I
time,
worked.
yeah.
Mhm.
So we didn't have any time for us.
We got all grumpy.
Exactly.
We got
And
stressed.
we love to travel. So we realized, okay, maybe to live in a van could be a nice idea. And the other reason is But the money to rent an apartment is too expensive for nothing. So we were
But
like,
at least if you don't have money for petrol, it just means you're stuck in the same place.
Yeah.
If you don't have money for rent, you're going to have somebody knocking on your door.
And you don't need to earn as much money either.
no,
As before,
no,
right?
not so much. Just for food and petrol. So
Yeah.
and she works as teacher online,
Uh-huh.
and she get paid every week. So when we saw like, okay, that week gonna be a bit hard, she can work.
So you teach French online, or what do you
English.
teach? English.
English, yeah. I teach I suppose, Turkish people, Chinese, Korean.
Uh-huh.
So I get to speak to lots of different cultures. So
Yeah.
it's quite nice. Yeah.
Cool. And you're the musician.
Yes.
Yeah. So what do you do exactly? Do you play?
So I'm a drummer, and I play for an artist who made X Factor a few years ago here.
Ah.
And now I start to become kind of big, especially in UK.
Okay.
And I play with him since 10 years now.
All right. You ready to go?
Yo. Oh, my head. Thank you.
Let's go. All right. No worries.
No worry.
We're not posh, it's just we actually only have one beer.
Ah.
So we can't offer you a beer. I'm so
We have
sorry.
some more if you guys
Yeah.
need beer. We have
Yeah,
we
we're
have beer.
chilling one right
Yeah.
now.
We before we go to a country, we always check out like how expensive the beers are. So whenever we're in a cheap country, we just stock up.
Yeah, so me and Flo actually have a list in our head of questions because
Yeah.
you guys have traveled for so long, and
Yeah.
that's one I didn't think of. It's
Yeah.
a really good idea. Yeah.
Wow.
Florian just brought this out. Wow. This is what you call French hospitality right there. So nice to meet you both.
Santé.
Santé.
How do you say it in Korean?
Jan.
짠,
Jan.
짠, 짠.
Awesome.
한 30분 정도 걸어야 되지.
Could you call me come back? Sorry.
소리 안 한 것 같은데. 설거지는 나중에 하자. 창문 안 닫은 거 아이가? 닫았나? 그럼 됐다. 문 열려 있어? No rain today.
How are you guys?
Good. Yeah.
Acclimatizing to the cold weather yet?
Not really.
No, it's horrible, isn't it?
Good morning to be crew. It is cold day today again. Oh, my clothes has a hole in it. Oi? My clothes has a hole in it. I gotta sew. Okay. Good morning, guys. Oh my god. I got so distracted because I just found that my clothes has a hole in it. I never noticed it. So today we are gonna go to supermarket because we are out of the bread and out of the egg.
Hello. Party? Oh, nice. Yeah, they set it up in one of those horse trucks, huh?
You gotta run for your life, baby. 아니 우리 반대로 봐야 되는 거 아니야? 아니야. 우리 잘못 봤잖아. We look the right first and left because we are they're
look
driving.
both ways anyways.
So green, baby. It's so green. 여기 그거야? Free donation?
Bus stop and a book swap. I've been looking
닌 책 안 읽는데.
for Oh, here's one. For you, baby.
뭔데? Oxford Dictionary.
DVD도 있다.
아 메리 포핀스 이런 거 있나? Friends, baby. Friend.
DVD 플레이어 없잖아.
컴퓨터에 넣어서 볼 수 있다 이거 바보야.
컴퓨터에 DVD 플레이어 있나?
그 CD 넣는데. CD 없지? 아 맞다.
These days computers
Damn it.
Oh, you're showing your age, baby.
Guys, I'm not that old. 와. 아 좀. 아 일부러 닫은 거 아니지?
You have to do this.
It's so pretty. I like the hiking trail here. Well, right now I don't have a hiking boot, but someday I'm gonna have a hiking boot. 맞지? 혼이야, 이거는 다 익은 것 같은데? 만지면 떨어질 것 같아.
No, they're not black yet. No, it's not ready yet.
아, 그래? 진짜 오래된 나무인가 봐, 언니야. Guys, it's just done. I guess English people say the splendid, right? It's splendid. It's awesome, right? Isn't it?
Yeah. You don't have to be just English to say splendid though.
But when you watch the in like British drama or something, they always like splendid, like that. They don't. They cool, awesome. They don't do that.
So that tree is toast, but they left it up, and now it's kind of like art.
Oh.
Hi.
How come it looks like the picture every time? This is crazy.
This is England.
Oh.
Oh, the water is super clean.
뭐야?
Cloudberry.
Cloudberry, right? I
Oh,
was
but the
right.
cloudberries we saw were on the ground before.
야, 왜 이렇게 이뻐 여기?
호박이다.
어디?
여기.
안에 있는 게 호박이야?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this house.
Yeah.
왜 이렇게 이뻐?
Super cute, huh? Oh, look at this, honey.
어머, 왜 이렇게 귀여워?
Do you see the plaque?
뭔데? Oh, is it old prison?
Right?
House is that pretty.
Okay. Hi. Yeah, that's so
Little
cute.
shopping bag. 나중에 이거 사도 되나?
Hi.
Hi, hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
And you are on holiday?
Yeah, we're from
Where are you from?
Korea.
Oh yeah? Gosh.
Yeah. We drove here.
Did you?
Yeah.
From Korea.
Gosh. That's a long way.
Yeah.
이거 어때?
귀여워. This the one you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not? Because it's just say the obviously British.
I'm here to steal your stuff. But we've seen this before. We've actually
진짜
seen
그렇잖아.
these seagulls. They're like super aggressive, right?
Yeah.
Okay, take that.
Yeah.
Go get it.
Was that the last one? Yes.
I think so. Are these popular?
Yeah, they're selling all the time.
This one just reminds us of our time
Yeah,
in the
you
UK.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. So, not people. If you are aware of seagulls, people eat their food kind of in the packaging,
Yeah.
whereas and other people just have it all open, and the seagulls just swoop
Yeah,
down
they're
and
so
grab it.
aggressive. It's
They're really
insane, right?
quite something.
I was screaming all the time. Like, oh yeah!
Oh, that's such a cute bag. Show them your bag. Thank you. There we go. Actually, this kid's shopping cart would be easier. We might get some Coke.
아, 콜라 다 먹었지?
They have different kind of eggs. They have free range eggs, organic eggs, carbon neutral.
내가 잡아줘?
Yeah.
파다원이야.
BLT, a real BLT.
그니까, I love BLT.
Two of these guys.
크래커시다. 95페니. 작은 거 할까?
We can make a chicken masala,
yeah,
spicy naan. Oh, spam. Dun 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 dun.
우리 쇼핑을 이번에 영국대로 처음 하잖아.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have so much to carry.
Are you going to the bag?
No, we have bags. Yeah. You filled it up.
Yeah, I didn't take the tag yet here. Still, I have it.
Let's see, what did you put in your? You got some
I have
snacks
2
in there
eggs.
and 2 eggs.
And this way.
Perfect.
Nice.
Let's go.
Guys, we are almost home. Oh my god, the town was so amazing. It just like it looks so cute and doors and everything was so nice. And I didn't expect that. Just we went there for the buying bread and egg, other stuff, but we ended up like toward the town. It was so cool. Maybe the weather is better. We are expecting to have rain today again. When it is not raining, I mean, I want to walk on that hiking trail. It's so good, so beautiful. And then maybe look around the town one more time. Alright, home sweet home. 우리 아까 산 거지? BLT? 진짜 맛있겠다, 언니야. 어때요? 맛있어?
맛있어.
안 되겠다, 나도 먹어야겠다. 나 배 안 고팠는데. 우리가 사 먹었던 슈퍼마켓 샌드위치 중에서 제일 맛있는 것 같다, 언니야.
Here's the spice. This will go on the chicken, and then this is the curry. So quite easy.
우리 영국 오면서 이게 제일 기대됐다는 거 아니겠습니까?
So, you smell curry?
Yeah, I can smell it. Oh, nice. 뭐 하시는 거예요?
Putting water on the bread. It's the secret when you're cooking this kind of bread.
프리메이드는 아닌데.
Can you eat?
Oh, smells good.
It's gonna be super hot though.
손 완전.
One naan ready to go right there.
이거 한번 저어야 되는.
One naan's in the fry pan.
Look at this oil, baby.
That's what makes it delicious. You need tons of oil. Actually, it's not oil. It's probably ghee.
Fat, right? Basically.
No butter.
Butter이에요.
Clarified butter. All right, then give it a try.
잘 먹겠습니다. 뜨거워. 맛있다.
You good? How about the naan?
Wow, really sour. It's good.
All
Naan
right,
is good too.
perfect.
내줄게 언니야. 먹어봐.
Okay, bon appetit.
Oh, I can feel the heat, spiciness.
A special thank you to our Patreon and YouTube members. These videos are possible because of your huge support.
Is it safe to go in?
Yeah, get in.
If you want to help, there are links to our Patreon and YouTube membership below.